और खोलेगा कितना बजे?
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, 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 ma'am. Ma'am, it's not connected. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Do not it's not connected.
Ma'am, can we then start the class?
हेलो शिफ्टी मानवी, क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई, बैठी रहे तो।
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
अभी नहीं है।
Good morning, Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है। Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I know you all must be waiting for our next activity, and you'll be very happy to know that today the drawing the drawing and craft means it's a combination of both of the work. It is one of your favorite, and you all love that character. And very soon, yes, you just keep the material ready with you, okay? Few sheets of drawing, pencil, eraser, cotton, earbud, watercolors. And watercolors, you can use any medium. You can use cake colors, you can use bottle colors, poster colors, tube colors, any sort of color medium you can use. And if you don't have watercolors, then not to worry, okay? No need to worry. Even you can do the work with your plastic crayons or oil pastel also, okay? So you don't need to worry. Shall I keep it here? Okay. Yeah. Let's take it. Yes, and I just wanted to know that can you all hear me? Am I audible to each of you? Yes, so very soon we'll be starting because many are trying to get connected. Because of this, I just yeah. So I'm very happy to see that there are many and ready. Yes, है ना? To learn the new things. And today that work which I'm going to teach you is going to help you out for making your charts. Means in holidays you are getting charts, projects. Some of you must have got the project for writing thoughts or some quotations, so different kind of things. And say at least in this work we need at least 3. For this work which we are going to learn within a short while, we need at least 3 sheets. And if one is A3 size and rest 2 are of A4 size, it's okay. It's okay, okay? Yes. See, before this, we were having one more activity. In that, that timing was 10 to 12. And in that, we learned this activity. Yes, and you know this is a Doraemon and, sorry, Mowgli, and this is Ka. If you remember, you must have seen movie Jungle Book. So in that, you know, and see here, this snake is 3-dimensional, है ना? And Mowgli is just talking to Ka. And so this is a very simple scene from Jungle Book, and I intentionally picked it up. And here you can see this drawing is, I mean, this Ka is 3-dimensionally attached. And those who want to make this work, they can visit my YouTube channel. This complete class I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, okay? So if you want to make this, you can make it afterwards from my YouTube channel. I will share the link with you, okay? Okay, now let's start with the new work. Shall I start? They all have joined. Okay, we are just waiting for many more who are trying to get connected. Keep your drawing sheets, your colors, cotton, container of water, everything ready. Yes, and this activity we organize specially because we are running our regular classes also, and there was a great demand from parents. They wanted a demo class, that they want to see the method of teaching, how the students are getting or not. So on very high demand, we kept this activity for all of you. So now in a short while, we are going to start. And first of all, shall I start? Otherwise delay. And I will be the artwork which I showed just now, I will be that class, morning class. I will share the link and it will be on my YouTube channel. So you can make that artwork also. Complete class I will be uploading on my YouTube channel. Okay, now without delay, let's start. Okay. Now students, what I will be doing? First, drawing sheet, colors, pencil, eraser, and this one I have already told you. First of all, take a drawing sheet, this extra one, okay? And here, because I just want to make, I will be making this much big stripe. Cut a stripe from it. Cotton is very necessary. Yes. Now see, I cut a stripe. And after cutting a stripe, see, as you all know that the basic concept which I'm going to teach you today is actually, we are just picking a few scenes of Jungle Book. It means basically our main character is, guess who is that character? He is a boy and he live in jungle and all the animals are friends of that boy. And even he love all of them very much. And they both are leading harmonious life. Yes, that is Mowgli. Yes, I showed the picture just now. So all the secret is actually revealed. So here actually I have intentionally picked up this topic because you must be reading, or in news you must be listening about how cruel we are turning towards animals. Few days back, one very bad incident happened with a pregnant female elephant, and it is continuously happening. So we human are very cruel with animals and all. So with the help of this character and few incidents I have picked up from this story, I just want to convey the message that nature and we are because of nature. So we should take care of it. We should not destroy it. Okay. Now I want to show that a Mowgli is sitting, and here he's just flying up in the sky on butterfly, a giant butterfly. So what I will be doing first on this try, I will be making a face of butterfly. What I will be doing? Yes. Take 2 lines. A line and show the C. See here. And see here. Okay, see, this is a bracket. C, which I just showed, joined with the line. And after doing this, I will be making a shape. C for cat. The body of butterfly. Because as I want to show that, yes, see, for making the wings of butterfly, we will be needing 2 sheets. So this half part will be utilized and 1 more sheet is required. Okay. A4 size will also work. A4 size sheet. Drawing sheet will also work. If you have drawing sheets, and if you don't have a drawing sheet, you can pick up any paper from any colorful magazine. Okay, try with that only. Now see, I am just making the basic shape. Okay, and after making this, the face is very big, body is slightly small. Okay, I took a stripe and I want to make a giant butterfly. I will be making a very big face, and this is the figure. Show the lines. Just curved shapes I'm making. Okay, keep doing with me. Show curved shapes. Okay, and I will be making 2 eyes. I will be writing O. Okay. And don't forget to show C 2 times. Tiny nose. C, again a small C. I'm repeating what I did. A big eye with the help of O and C 2 times. Small tiny nose and C again 2 times. This is a cute butterfly. Don't forget to show the eyelashes. Okay. So this drawing is again a message that there should be harmony between nature and human. Yes. Now what I will be doing, I will just cut it off with the scissors. Yeah, I will be repeating the shape once again. Cut the shape. Yes. Many of you joined late, so I will be repeating the method for you. Okay, what I did, I just cut a stripe. It's a repetition. You're not supposed to make it again. Those who are late, This is for them only. Yes. What I did, I just make a line and then C for cat. Then having these 2 points, and this is simple of big C. I joined O, C, eyelashes, smile. Okay. This shape you will be drawing like this and you will cut. Do this much. This is a very simple shape which you can cut very easily. Okay. Yes. Cut it very carefully. Yes. After cutting, you keep it with you. I'm just waiting for others because others are cutting and I can understand your small, small hands. It will take time to cut. And with the help of these drawing students, again, I want to give the message that love animals, love every creature of nature. You know what? God created human with this fantastic brain so that he or she can protect the environment. But what we are doing, we have started exploiting the environment. We are killing them for sake of making coats, for sake of our food, for sake of making our shoes. You know, we are just exploiting and killing them. So this kind of inhuman activities we should never do with them. We should love them. So with Mowgli is one of my favorite character because Mowgli is giving message that we can live a harmonious life together in which each one is happy. Okay? The only thing required is love and compassion for them. Yes. So today, after this, when this activity will get over, you will go with a determination that you will never, never hurt and harm any animal, any creature of nature. Okay? Okay, now show your thumbs up if done. And you all know the rules of my class. Every time whenever you're showing your thumbs up, you are supposed to smile. A great smile. Come on. Yes. I don't want your thumbs up with your sad faces. Okay. Keep smiling because I believe that when you smile, your drawing also smile. And when you are sad, your drawing will be sad. So here we are going to convey a very strong message and we are supposed to be very, very happy. Okay, now what you will be doing, you will just keep it in center, not exactly in center here. Okay? This part you will leave above and you will be making outlines. Outlines of head only head, not the body. See, I have taken the outlines of head. Okay? Then in back side, we don't have that much time. Huh? Okay? Now, after making this, here I want to show that this butterfly, this is a giant butterfly and is a friend of Doraemon. And whenever Doraemon feel like to fly in the sky, like helicopter is just sitting on this butterfly and this butterfly is taking Doraemon up in the sky and among the clouds and everything. Okay, so we are going to show this. So now on this, I'm going to show Doraemon sitting. Okay, now what you'll be doing? Here you will be making the face. Okay? Yes, start. Start with the face. You will be taking a point and 2 points. See, this is kind of V, but we will be writing U. I'm making a U, which is slightly pointed here. Full screen, okay. Okay. See here, what I did, I just take the impression of the face, then I remove my butterfly, and here I want to show this Doraemon is sitting. Complete full screen. यहाँ पे ये भी आ जाए. हाँ, थोड़ा सा और नीचे. Yes, बस. ठीक है? What I did, I took 2 points, then a point here. And this is a kind of U with a pointed end. Yes. Now, take 1 point here, 1 point here. 1 here, 1 here. Straight line. Straight line. After making this straight line, this line we have now, this point over that. Yes, I'm repeating what I did. I took a point and 2 points on side. And after that, I just join these 3 points with the help of U. Okay, with help of U. Then I took 2 points and draw straight lines. Do with me this because this is face. We are making face. Now, over this point, these 2 points we have now, over that take a point, and these points and this point. This line and these points we will be joining with the help of U. With help of U. This is a big U. Okay, now video is on. Can't see the screen, Abhi. Can't see the video. Yes, okay. Video is not visible. Again, I'm getting the same message. See, students, be little more attentive because we are supposed to wind up within time. Okay? You will go with each and every step with me. See, you will be taking 2 points and then a point in center. Now you will be joining this with the help of U. Okay, this is a U. After this, I will take 2 points here and draw 1 line here, 1 line here. Then I will be making 1 line overhead, and using this 3 lines, we will be making a U. Okay? Yes. Now, take 2 points here and here. Take 2 points. Yeah. Take 2 points and please keep doing with me. These steps are very small and very simple because we are supposed to wind up in time. Okay, so you need to be very attentive, beta. Hai na? Because after every step I'm waiting. So be attentive and do with me. Now we will be using letter V. V for victory. See, V, big V, small V, curved V, a big curved, small, big, small. I'm writing V. Write V for making hair. Each and every step you see properly. And if you have any doubt, you please message me. Okay, because we can't unmute anyone in class. Yes. Now after this, here on the head, you will be writing V 3 times. Not visible. Now draw 2 lines. 1 and 2. 2 lines. Sometimes in your exam also you are asked to make a cartoon character, and then you just switch on to Angry Birds and this kind of simple cartoon characters. But this time you try Mowgli, and you will see how easy to draw. Video show नहीं हो रही है. Now we will be, and see students, one thing I want to tell you, as in this class there are many who are very young one. Okay, so I'm just maintaining a minimum average speed. Okay, so a few those who are messaging be quick, so we can't do that way, is na? Because here we are taking all the students together. So please don't do this kind of useless messages. Many young ones are doing, and if they will not be able to do with us, what is the meaning of taking this kind of classes? So you're supposed to be patient. Those who are mature enough and doing the work fast, they're supposed to wait for the younger ones. Hai na? Yes. Now D. D. And we will be showing C. C for cat. For showing eyes, and here also. Although hair are there, but keep doing. Don't worry. Okay, C 2 times. And small tiny nose. A small C. Nose. I should remove Gautam from the class. Doing useless messages. Yes. Okay. Yes, these are eyes. And I will show. This is D. C for cat. C for cat. Okay, this way I made the eyes. Small tiny nose. ये face को zoom करने बोल रहे हैं. I will be making face with this. So you will be able to see. Eyes with marker pen I'm making now. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा face को zoom करना है. Yes. See, this is D. I made 2 lines. After making 2 lines, what I did, I made a D. Okay? I made a D. And after making D, C 2 times. Same I did in both the eyes. C. And now again a line. Straight line. And we will be making a D again. These are 2 points. Make a capital D. Don't forget to write 3. Okay? Yes. This is the face. We use letter D for making eyes, letter D for making smile, C for making nose, V for making hair, and a big U for making head. Don't forget to show ears, C. For your comfort, I'm using marker pen now. Okay, I think the face is very clear. Now let's complete the body. Draw 11. 11, 1, 1, 11. And then very small slanting lines, not big, very small. And just make straight line. You will not touch the head. Okay, see, this is head. And my lines are just above that. Yes. I'm repeating, I made 11, then 2 slanting lines, then 11. Take 1 point here. 1 point here, do with me. Take 1 point here and 1 point here. And then 1 more point. Okay? Yes. Now, before this, you do one thing, this point which we have now, just show a line here. And from here, just show the line here. It's curved line. Okay? Bit down. ठीक है. अब इसको full screen ले लो. Yes, sir, I will be showing. See, I just want to show the sitting posture. Okay? So this is line. This is head of butterfly. Okay, straight lines are coming down. And after this, you will be just joining. These are legs. Okay. Very simple way I'm showing and teaching. And students, you will get the idea that how can you make your cards, your charts, your projects looking more beautiful. Okay? Now, what you will be doing, this upper point which we have now, you will be making 2 lines. You also, you'll be making 2 lines. We all know Doraemon is very slim, trim boy. So the lines are not very thick. Now what you will be doing, students, make 2 lines first. Then I'll guide you what to do. 2 lines from upper side and 1 from lower point. Yes. Now what you will be doing, the line which is coming from lower point, you will touch it. And this lower point, the line of lower point, you will touch to the legs. Okay? Yes. But the line which is coming from upper point, we will not touch. And from here, we will be making a C. Hands. C. Don't forget to show lines. Okay, hands. Sitting and enjoying the ride. Butterfly ride, you know? How exciting. And this line we will erase. The line which is there, this we will be erasing. Okay? Erase this line. This standing line in hands. Okay, keep doing. Yeah. Okay. And now we will be showing a curved line here and join this line. Join this line. Mowgli is sitting on the head. Okay. And now we will be showing clouds. As he's up in the sky, we will be showing clouds. Okay. Yes. First, show me your thumbs up if you have done this much. Show me your thumbs up. And if not done, please show your thumbs down. So I will understand that, yes, I need to wait. Okay. All of you have done? Okay, the message I'm getting, it means you have done. That's great. Okay, 1, 2 thumbs I can see down. Rest all have done. Okay. By the time when I'm scrolling and looking at my students, you just continue. Okay. Now show clouds. Now I'm teaching how to show clouds. You all know how to make C, a small c, very big, small, big, small, big. Clouds. Show clouds, and here I will be showing incomplete cloud, half cloud. Okay. And this bottom part, you can show some small clouds. It will give effect that the clouds are left behind. Okay, it will look as if clouds of lower side, you will be showing small clouds. So it will give idea as if you have left, this is far away, you are just flying in speed. Okay, some incomplete clouds also. Big C, small c, all must be knowing how to make clouds. Still I taught the one how to make. Okay, don't forget to show a sun rising from here. Sun. Early morning, they are on flight and can see even sun quite close. And can talk to the birds flying. M, right? M. 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 All the birds are also flying all around. And the speed of the Mowgli and this butterfly is so high. That the leaves, yes, make clouds. Few leaves also flying. Show leaves. Flying in the sky. Small, small leaves. It will show the strong wind also. Okay, few small leaves. Okay. Is my screen visible? Okay. Now what we'll be doing, students? We will be giving outlines, because here the wings we will be preparing afterwards. First we will be, after doing this, first we will make our wings ready. Okay. Now what you are supposed to do, you will keep this drawing on side. Keep it on one side and take your 2 pages. 2 pages. This one is square. the bigger one from which I cut the stripe. And I cut the stripe, so only this one is left. And one I want small than this. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will take another page of small size. Or I can just cut the paper and use the smaller part of it. Because this second sheet I want small. And if you want that both the sheets should be of equal size, you can take of equal size also. Okay, so at the place of cutting it small, it will be easy for me to cut it of equal size. So I will cut it of equal size. Now I have 2 squares. These are 2 squares. Now yes, these are 2 squares. Cut 2 squares. Okay. One can be big and one can be small also. But if you have both of same size, it's okay. Now I will be taking cotton. I'll take cotton. Okay, I will be needing blue color, black. Now, if you don't have sheets, you can take sheets from magazine or newspaper. Take anything for making butterfly. Don't worry about sheets, okay? And if you have some stationery already colored, like these are few stationery, just say stationery, it is already colored. So you can use this kind of colored stationery if you have. Don't worry, okay? You can make your butterfly with that also. Okay? And if you don't have, then take magazine sheets. Magazine or newspaper sheets. Okay, now what I will be doing, I have taken pink, red, orange, okay, orange and yellow. Now what I will be doing, in my plate, I will be taking orange, and those who are using cake colors, orange. Okay, I will be taking orange color. Then I will take red color. Red also. I want dark blue. I will take dark blue also. And black also. Okay? You can take black. If you want to make pink butterfly, you can take pink also. It's your choice. I'm going to use these colors. If you don't have watercolors, then you can do one thing. You can color the page with whatever color medium you have. If you have plastic crayon, so you color the page. Okay? Okay, now what I will be doing, I will take cotton. Okay, I will take cotton. And after taking cotton, I'll take my water mug and I'll soak my cotton. कॉटन को उसमें डुबा दो और डुबा के उसको स्क्वीज कर लो, पानी उसमें रहने दो थोड़ा सा और थोड़ा सा निकाल दो, ठीक है? रिमूव एक्स्ट्रा वाटर. Yes. Now what I will be doing, the middle part I will be doing red and orange, and the outer part I will be doing blue and black. Okay? दोनों पेज में ऐसा करना है. तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, ऑरेंज ले लो. टेक ऑरेंज. Okay? And start doing. या ये दोनों पेपर में बनाना है, ठीक है? You will be making in both the paper. This first one and in second one also. Make it enough dark. I'm using cotton. ठीक है? थोड़ा big amount, थोड़ा सी ज्यादा cotton लो, उसमें पानी होगा ना तो आपका फटाफट से हो जाएगा. Yes. Now you will not change your cotton, using the same cotton. Yes. Make 2 circles and you will not throw the cotton. You will keep the cotton of orange with you. Make circle on both the pages. Watercolors, if you don't have, so you just color the circle with whatever color medium. If you have plastic crayons, you just make a circle and color with plastic crayons. Okay. Now I will be taking red in the same cotton. I will take little water, more water, red, and I will start giving outlines. Red, mixing of red and orange. And same I'm going to do with other one. This is done. Now I will be doing the same with this one also. Red, okay? This also. Okay, this way you will be doing red. Now after doing red, you will use the same cotton. Take blue. Take blue in the same cotton. Start doing blue. Start doing blue. In both the circles. See, I made a circle with orange, then red, and then blue. Okay. बस गोल गोल घुमाओ या कैसे भी कर दो. कैसे भी. We are making wings of butterfly. Blue. Okay, you can make it dark, little more dark. I can make it. I will take little more amount of blue for making it looking dark. Okay, and make sure that paper ball should not come. Now after this, you will be taking black. Don't change the cotton. Using the same cotton, now I will be taking black. Take black. Last but not the least, black. Okay? Corners you can leave white. Corners you can leave white. And make it dark black to look better. Corners can be left white. Okay? Colors in middle, I took orange. You can take any color of your choice. If you want to take pink, if you want to make pink butterfly, you can take pink. Anna? I choose some bright colors. Now here also I'm going to add my black color on the surroundings. Black. And you all will be getting recording of this class on my YouTube channel, and we will be sharing the link. Okay, I will share the link. The complete class I will upload on my YouTube channel. See, I just completed, and corners I left white. You can also leave the corners white. This way. And see, you will not just keep rubbing a lot with harsh strokes. You are supposed to be very soft. If you will take too much of water and will treat your paper very harshly, it will be teared. Okay? So you are not supposed to be very harsh. रगड़ना नहीं है. जोर जोर से अगर घिसोगे पेपर को तो फट जाएगा. ठीक है ना? तो आराम से करना और थोड़ा थिक पेपर लेना है इसीलिए. Yes, now see my 2 papers are ready. Of same वो I will keep them on one side so that it will be dried. ठीक है, मैं इनको एक साइड पे रख देती हूँ तब तक ये सूख जाएंगे. By the time you just come back to your work, that is Mowgli's work. I'm keeping this here so that it can be dried. Okay, now we will just wind up all the colors. Wind up all the colors. Remove, because now we don't need colors. And if you want to make some dots on your butterfly, you can make dot of white or any other color with earbud. Okay, but I'm not making, but if you want, you can make. Okay, now let's complete the outlines. Give outlines with black. Yeah. Okay, now what I'm doing, students, I'm moving my black sketch pen on my complete drawing. Mowgli. Yeah, I'm just giving outlines, beta. Yeah, 2 squares. Color of your choice. There is no foundation that you will be using orange and these colors only. If you feel like to make pink butterfly, you can take pink. Your favorite colors you can put in that. Because these are the wings of butterflies which we color. Very carefully outline the face. Face especially. Very carefully. Here. Finish. Yeah, I will be sharing everything. Message you everything. All the artwork which we are going to learn in today's free activity. And this free activity we conduct on a great demand of parents. And you will be showing your work. Yes, this is the number. Say, this is my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. And this is the number on which, after completing this artwork, you will be sending your artwork on this number. Okay, I will repeat this afterwards also. Yes, now complete the outlines in clouds and Mowgli everywhere. ये रहने दो. Yes. All this we need. Slowly and slowly, all the clouds and wind, whatever we made now, you just give outlines and color. And here, this is a big cloud and a sun is rising. And butterfly and Mowgli, they set out to take a walk in sky. A big and small stars line for showing the rising sun. Small. Okay. Gradually, the size of clouds is decreasing and it shows that they are flying very fast, leaving all the clouds behind. Okay. Show some leaves. It will give effect of wind. Okay? Complete all the outlines. Yes. Keep doing. The outline should be very carefully done because the lines of sketch pen we can't erase. And students, this is actually a very little effort to enhance your creativity. And don't forget this tiny butterfly face also. Give outlines in this also. The face which we did in the beginning. Cute butterfly. Okay. Complete the body. And don't forget to give outlines. Please give outlines for very sure. Okay, it will give a tidy and beautiful effect to our work. Outlines in face. Okay, yes. This is also ready. Keep doing outlines. And after giving outlines, what you're supposed to do, students, you will erase all extra lines. Okay, those who are my regular students of class, they know that after giving outlines, we erase extra lines.
जब हम असेंबल करेंगे ना बटरफ्लाई तब
You will be taking eraser and erase all the lines, all the extra lines, and make your artwork very clean. Few lines of pencils are looking there now. We'll erase all the lines and lots of birds flying in the sky. Erase all the lines and make your drawing ekdam clean. See, slowly and slowly it will look as if we have made the drawing with sketch pen only. And while erasing also, you need to be very soft with paper. Keep one thing in mind, students. Drawing you should do with love and affection. If you will be harsh with your colors, your brush, your work will be spoiled. So have patience and very carefully do the work, okay? Don't hurry, don't be harsh while doing coloring. Many students I see, they start rubbing their paper with cotton. है ना, ऐसे नहीं करना होता है हमें बहुत जैसे कॉटन से हमने अभी बटरफ्लाई के विंग्स बनाया तो धीरे धीरे हमको उसको कलर को स्प्रेड करना है एकदम जल्दी जल्दी अगर घिसेंगे तो क्या होगा हमारा पूरा पेपर टेयर हो जाएगा और हमारी सारी मेहनत खराब होगी है ना now see this is done I erase all the lines and make it clear and same I'm going to do with my butterfly face I will erase all lines of pencil and will complete my work and make it neat and beautiful. Yes. Yes. I erase all the lines of my butterfly also. Show your thumbs up if your outlines are done. Show your thumbs up. Achha. And those who are doing, show your thumbs down. So I will wait for you. Okay. Do. Okay, do. I'm waiting. Keep doing. Keep doing. I can see many thumbs are down. So I will wait for you. Okay, keep doing. Do outlines very carefully because Yeah. Yes, I'm waiting. All of you do. Complete your both the wings and this much part. Keep doing. I'm waiting. The outline should be very neat, okay? And after learning this, try to make your charts and your projects by your own, okay? At the place of troubling your mom, try to make this by your own. I'm showing the artwork, the previous artwork of mine. 10 to 12, this one. 10 to 12, this work our students made. And here the students were of very small age group and they did it so nicely. I will upload their photos on my YouTube channel. And say, suppose you are you are getting a holiday homework of making a chart. So this drawing is giving you idea that if you put something three-dimensional like this, the output of a chart is obviously very beautiful. So same we are going to do here in this butterfly also. Okay? Yes. Show your thumbs up if done, all of you. Abhi end mein. Ye assemble karte wo. Okay, now take your plastic crayons. All of you come to your plastic crayons and start doing colors. Okay, first of all, take your sky blue color and start making sky. For making sky, I will be using sky blue. And as it is rising sun, I am showing now, I can add bit of yellow and pink. There's no pink. And somewhere I can add pink also. Finish the outlines by the time. Pink. Yes. Now, students, first I will be starting with my sun. And sun I'm going to do with orange. Okay, start with sun. Yes, you can use pencil colors. Whatever color medium you have, right now you can use that. Start from the top. Start from the top. Always start your coloring from the top. And in small strokes, go for sleeping lines. And complete your sun. Okay. And then take your yellow and draw a round without outline. And after making this round, start coloring it from the top. Yellow. I'm using plastic crayons. You can use wax crayons, but if not available, then in that case, you can use oil pastel also. I'm telling you, whatever color medium is available today with you, you can start with that. But I'm using plastic crayons because there are many who are very young. So plastic crayons are manageable for them. Okay, finish the coloring. Now, I want to show the pleasant weather. Paint, I will not suggest. If you are young one, very small in age, I will not suggest paint here. Okay, go for this kind of dry color medium. Leave clouds white. Don't fill colors in white. See, sleeping lines. Go for sleeping lines. You will not change direction. Normally, what students do? They start moving their color in different directions. When they see, I'm using Camel plastic crayons. and go for sleeping lines, but you will not enter clouds. Leave clouds white, white fluffy clouds. If you want to add more three-dimensional effect, you can add yes, slowly and slowly, sleeping lines. Now somewhere you can try pink. Pink, okay? Mix with sky blue also. Somewhere. Morning time na, very pleasant weather. So pink also help us showing pleasant weather. And if I would have tried to show hot sun, afternoon time when it's sweating and all, so I would have given background with orange and red. These are warm colors. So we choose colors accordingly. Okay, keep doing and make sure your lines will be sleeping and small. Clouds, white. You will not enter clouds. Nay, watercolors you don't use now. Otherwise, you will spoil the work. I will not instruct you to do watercolors. Do according to my instructions. Okay? Watercolor work is over. You were supposed to do only in wings, which we have done. See, I'm just mixing blue and pink. Somewhere, as sun is rising, I can show yellow somewhere. Not much, because weather is pleasant, not very warm. This time. Maximum with sky blue. Clouds are white. And slowly, yes, after reaching here, after reaching this height, I will switch on to green color. Now see here, in between of hands. Middle, this space is there, na? This is also sky. Fill this part also. And now after completing this much, I will start with light green. I'll be taking light green and I will start doing with light green. Just to show that they are, although they are very high in the sky, but that greenery they can see from here. Okay, just a suggestive look of green. Very light. Okay, I'm doing it very light. Although in screen it's looking more light than I'm doing. Green. And with dark green, make all leaves. Make all the leaves with dark green. You can take dark green, you can take sap green if you have the big color set. Dark green is normally available with, I will be using dark green for showing leaves. You can show few leaves with yellow ochre, dried leaves. है ना? जो सूख जाती हैं पत्तियां तो हवा में उड़ने लग जाती हैं ना? और यहाँ इन लीव्स की हेल्प से हमने एयर का प्रेशर दिखाने की कोशिश की है. कितने तेजी से एयर उड़ रही है ना? इस चीज को हमने दिखाने की कोशिश की है इसमें. कुछ आप येलो ऑकर लीव्स भी बना सकते हो सूखी हुई पत्तियां दिखाने के लिए. ये भी बहुत अच्छी लगेंगी. उसमें येलो ऑकर के अंदर ही थोड़ा सा ग्रीन डाल सकते हैं. हाँ, if you want to make all the leaves dry, you can make. मैंने कुछ कुछ पत्तियों को थोड़ा ग्रीन और थोड़ा ड्राई दिखाया है जो पेड़ों से झड़ जाते हैं और हवा में उड़ने लग जाते हैं. ठीक है? Dry. Our sky is almost done. Now it's turn off our butterfly. इनको दिख रहा है because here I can't see the screen. Yes. Now take pink, red, orange and yellow. Red. Okay, and we will be completing the face of our butterfly. यहाँ पे वो था ना
सेलो टेप का वो डिस्पेंसर.
Yes. Show your thumbs up if you all have done. Okay, when you are showing their thumbs down, do. We are waiting.
Stop video any.
Okay. Finish the sky. And then we will complete this butterfly and then this Mowgli. Yes. Now students, the smile we will be making red. Okay, and move your color in one direction. Smile will be red. And don't forget to make this pink cheeks. We are making a very cute butterfly. Pink. Okay. And now I will be making all the lines orange. All the outlines of the body orange. Okay, you can do it. Slowly and slowly, bold outlines. See how bold. I have given thick outline with. Yeah. Slowly and slowly, give a thick outline around face. Okay, you can see the outline is very thick. And don't forget to make this line also quite bold. No, watercolor I'm not using. I'm using plastic crayons. Okay. Yes. Finish your butterfly this ways. Come on, I'm waiting for all of you. The only thing which I did is I just gave outlines with orange, red lips, and pink cheeks. Yes. And the butterfly which I'm going to teach you now, you can make this kind of butterfly with colorful magazines and display it on your wall as stickers. It looks very beautiful. Okay, now after this, I will be taking yellow and I will complete the body. Okay, start from the head and leave eyes. Leave eyes and color the face yellow. Sleeping lines. See, I'm not changing the direction of my lines. Normally students what do? They start moving straight. When they feel that the color is not moving properly, they start moving straight. With sleeping lines, you will be coloring the whole face. Complete face. Slowly and slowly. Yeah, you can try any other color also, but don't try odd colors, you know. If you feel like to give outlines with yellow ochre and want to fill pink color in body, it will work. But don't use very strange like blue color and this color in body. It will look little awkward. Although you are free with your imaginations, but as in wings also we have tried blue, black, and all this kind of colors. Huh? Okay, now see yellow body. Finish it. I'm moving it sleeping lines. Small strokes. Your stroke should be very small. Okay, and you're supposed to keep repeating your strokes. Repeat your strokes. Yes, finish completely. Finish it completely. Very nicely. Make it dark and bright, okay? No. Second butterfly you are not supposed to make. That circle will be left only circle. No color there. Here you will be doing no colors, okay? I will make it little more dark. And now take black, brown and golden. Black, brown and golden. Come on, take 3 colors. Yes. All of you do eyes with me first and then you continue your body, okay? First you do eyes with me and then you can continue body. And please, all of you be with me. Then afterwards, I'll get the message. Eyes is the very important part. And the same is the way of making eyes of Doraemon. The method of making eyes of this butterfly, and sorry, I'm again and again using word Doraemon, it is Mowgli. Mowgli, and this method of making eyes is same. The inner circle will be black. Here also, the inner circle will be black. Same you do in Mowgli's eyes also. Inner circle will be black. Okay? Make all 4 eyes, 2 of butterflies and 2 of Mowgli at the same time. Yes. If you don't have golden, then you can use yellow. Use yellow at the place of golden. Okay, now I have taken this color. Golden. If you don't have golden, you can take yellow or yellow ochre. Now what you will be doing, the upper part, half upper part, you will be doing golden. Upper half. Okay? The second C, we will be doing golden, and same in Doraemon's eyes. Half golden in both the eyes. Yes. Now take your brown color. Take your brown color and start moving in the lower half. And after doing in lower half, enter in golden or yellow also. उसके अंदर भी चले जाओ. नीचे से ब्राउन भरते भरते ये ऊपर आपने गोल्डन भरा है ना, उसके भी अंदर चले जाओ. Yes. तो आपको ये आईज मिलेगी. और ऐसा ही आपको डोरेमोन इसकी मोगली की आईज में भी करना है. आप ब्राउन भरोगे और गोल्डन के अंदर चले जाओगे. ठीक है? You will enter golden. And this will be white. ये white ही रहेगा, यहाँ पे भी ये white रहेगा. Mowgli's eyes also will be done in the same ways. The eyes of butterflies and Mowgli are going to be same. Yes. Show your thumbs up if done. If done, please show your thumbs up. Yes, and with smile. Every time I want your thumbs up with smile. It shows that you are happy while doing work. Nishu. Okay. Now, keep this butterfly on one side, the body of butterfly on one side. And let's complete the this Mowgli. Take pink and red. The smile will be pink and tongue will be red. And yes, this garment, cloth will be red. Go for sleeping lines. First finish all the work of red. Okay, red. Now I will pick up my skin color. If you don't have skin color, in that case, you can use orange also, but light. Okay. Yes. Now, finish this. I'm using Camel plastic crayon, and I prefer that. It's a good quality. Okay, now see, this is, thank you so much. Even the file is of Camel only. Okay, now I will take skin color and I will start moving from chin. Start moving sleeping lines from chin, and you will not change the direction. Complete the face of Mowgli. And this time in your syllabus, if you are having a topic that make a cartoon character, try Mowgli, okay? At the place of making Angry Bird. Normally students opt Angry Bird. The easiest. Make a circle, a tail, a beak, ho gaya kaam. Hai na? But this time you all will be trying Mowgli. Okay? I will finish my face. ये hair के अंदर जो थोड़ी सी जगह है वहां पे मैं standing line में चली जाऊंगी. Skin color. Sleeping lines. And finish the body. Sleeping lines. Enhance. Make it enough dark. Don't fill very light colors. Hands and legs also. Okay? Legs also. And this complete class will be uploaded. So you are not to worry. Don't worry, okay? And many parents, they wanted a demo class because we are taking regular drawing class. So many students were asking to give a demo class. So that's why we decided to keep this workshop so that they can see, because we are running a regular paid class for whole year in which moms are also learning, senior, super senior and junior ones. They all are learning how to draw and color. And on very high demand of parents, I kept the workshop. I was just thinking what to teach, which will be the favorite one of everyone. So I decided to teach Mowgli, and with this drawing, I told you earlier also, I just want to give message that be kind and loving to animals and all the creatures of nature. Okay? See, the body is done. Now we'll be taking black and brown. Black and brown. And we will have to be little quick because time of the class is already over. We are about to exceed the time. 3:30 the class will get over and whole artwork is left. Okay, students? So we will have to be little bit more active. Okay? Now see hair. How to make hair? May all of you please make hair with me. Standing line. Start from this. Standing line. Okay, start from here. I'm using brown. And I will start moving my color in small standing lines. Okay? Standing lines. First, I'm applying brown. All of you do the hair with me. सारे बच्चे पहले मेरे साथ हेयर कर लो. अगर बॉडी में स्किन कलर बचा है तो होमवर्क में कर लेना, ठीक है? पहले हेयर करो, because hair में we are going to mix 2 colors. So you please try hair with me. All of you, first do brown color in hair. See, I'm going in for standing lines all around. Standing lines. And I completed my brown color. Okay. Now same ways. Apply this. Do this. Now using the same method, I will be applying black. Okay. Now on brown, apply black. First, you complete the outlines of these flicks which of Mowgli. On brown, you apply black. See, you will get a lovely effect of golden brown hair. And start first with standing line, as we did our brown now. Same ways, but this time we are applying black on our brown color. Unorganized hairstyle. And Mowgli loved all the animals. Try to help everyone. And this story is showing that animals are so kind for humans. And there should be harmony between nature and us. Yes. Brown and black. See, the mixing will look great. Okay, at the place of doing only black or a brown, always try hair like this ways. Okay. Yes. Now, students, we will take those 2 sheets which we colored. Okay. Now it's time to create magic on a file. Now what you'll be doing, you just keep slanting. ठीक है, ये कोना और ये कोना है. अब हमें धीरे धीरे यहाँ से जापानीज फैन बनाना है और पतले पतले फोल्ड करने हैं. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी बड़े बड़े टेढ़े मेढ़े फोल्ड करोगे तो आपकी बटरफ्लाई अच्छी नहीं बनेगी. हाँ, slowly and slowly, and every time crease. This is Japanese fan I'm making. See, Japanese fan. Okay, start making very carefully and every time press it nicely. ठीक है, हर टाइम इसको अच्छे से प्रेस करते चलो. हर बार अच्छे से क्रीज लो और इसको बहुत नीटली प्रेस करते जाओ. ठीक है, हमने जो कलर्स डाले थे ना उससे हमारी कलरफुल विंग्स बन जाएंगे. Press it nicely. हाँ, keep making Japanese fan. What I do, I just go 2 steps front. तो मुझे बार बार पेपर को पलटना नहीं पड़ता, वहीं की वहीं. लेकिन बच्चों को बार बार आगे पीछे करके करने की आदत है ना, ऐसे करके और फिर ऐसे करके, तो they can do that ways also. But I do go 2 steps front and then come back. Okay, so then you can, I got the message that as one person connect late, so not prepared. So you do one thing. Now to learn only, just you do with white paper. Okay, so you will at least learn how to make a butterfly. Now see, my one wing is almost ready. I just made Japanese fan from one corner to other. ठीक है, see, ये ठीक है, ये हमारे विंग्स बन गए. आप इसमें ईयरबड से डॉट भी बना सकते थे, हमने इसको प्लेन ही रखा है. अभी दूसरे वाले को भी कैसे करना है, इस कोने से उस कोने तक. Okay? चलो start making Japanese fan again. Very carefully, है ना? बड़ा बड़ा नहीं बनाना है, छोटे छोटे fold करने हैं. And take deep impression by pressing it nicely. Impression should be neat and deep. Yes, it's about to get over. आपको अगर इसमें आप कुछ व्हाइट ईयरबड से छोटे छोटे डॉट्स बनाना चाहते थे तो कर भी सकते, वो भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, हमने अपने विंग्स को ब्राइट कलर से पेंटेड दिखाया. दिस वे. Yes, this ways we will be completing the fold. Take a crease till the end of the wings. Okay, this way. Press it nicely, and after, with the help of rubber band, if you have rubber band, you can take rubber band, but I will be using cello tape. Okay, rubber band or cello tape you can use. Better you go for cello tape. Okay, now see, 2 wings are ready. I will just attach both the wings this way, and exactly in the center, I will be doing its taping. Okay, exactly in center, I will be taking this dispenser and do its taping. See, properly. You can take help of your mom for pasting. She will hold and you just put tape, and put tape tight. This kind of butterflies you can make for your room also. Using colorful sheets of magazines, you can make this kind of wings. See, the wings of butterflies are ready. A giant butterfly which is taking Mowgli to flight every morning. Morning walk in sky. कितना मजा आता होगा ना अगर ऐसे ही हमें मॉर्निंग वॉक मिल जाए कि कोई बटरफ्लाई अपने ऊपर बिठा के हमें स्काई में सैर कराने ले जाए तो मजा ही आ जाए, है ना. See, these will be the wings, and over that this will be the face. Okay, this will be the our arrangement. अब हमें नीचे भी यहाँ पे स्काई थोड़ा सा दिखा देना है. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप ये विंग्स बना लो अच्छे से, और इसको थोड़ा सा खोल के रखना. खोलने के लिए आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे प्रेस कर दो. यहाँ कोने से थोड़ा सा प्रेस कर दोगे ना, खुल जाएंगे. कोने से थोड़ा सा प्रेस कर दो, खुले रहेंगे. ये कोने की साइड से थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रेस कर दोगे ना तो ये खुले रहेंगे. चारों तरफ से कर दो, हल्का सा, ज्यादा नहीं. यस, सी द विंग्स आर रेडी. थोड़ा सा okay, this kind of butterflies can be made for your room also. Okay, now what we will be doing, now we know that wings will be coming till here. ठीक है, यहाँ नीचे वाली जगह रह गई है, तो नीचे वाली जगह में हम थोड़ी सी वो बना देंगे, बुशेस और ऐसा सब कुछ बना देंगे. ठीक है, तो पहले हम स्काई ब्लू से कवर करेंगे. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा स्काई दिखाएंगे. स्काई के बाद हम इसको विल बी डूइंग ग्रीन. लाइट ग्रीन. ठीक है, देन कम टू लाइट ग्रीन. Yes, small strokes, and I'm doing light. On screen it's looking more light. My strokes are little darker than that. Okay, and then last but not the least, golden, or you can do brown also. If you don't have golden or yellow ochre, you can do brown, just to show the length. Yellow ochre. Yes. Now see, before doing arrangement of my butterfly, I want to give the basic information about actually, as I told you earlier, that this is our demo class. On high demand of our parents, we organize this demo class. Actually, we are running our regular drawing classes also. And these classes are, we are running for throughout the year, and those are paid classes. And we keep on organizing this kind of free activity, which we organize today. And in these classes, there are many batches like junior group, in that the students of 4.5 years onwards are there. And in senior group, class 2nd onwards are there in senior group. And there is a very special and creative and talented group of ours, that is moms group. And they are also learning drawing the basics actually, and they are doing amazing work. And besides that, we have super senior group also, in which many moms and many senior students are learning. I just want to show the work of our students, which they did in class. This is junior category. The junior students of our class, that is the 4.5 years onwards, students of class 1st, UKG and all. These are the artworks of our junior students. Drawing and coloring, both. This is impression art. Rainy day and this girl is flying up in the sky. Fruit basket, we teach them how to merge colors. Draw as well as merging of colors. This also we are guiding. This is a poster making. Cartoon characters also we are teaching in that. This drawing I taught to my younger ones, means junior batch, on Parents' Day, International Parents' Day. And you can visit my Facebook page and you will see how beautifully students are done. I upload this work. This is Madhubani art. Our super senior category did it few days back. This is again the junior batch and the senior batch, in which the students of 2nd, 3rd onwards. This is a peacock with oil pastel. They are learning how to draw. This is coffee painting. This is a coffee painting, senior and super senior, both the batches, and doodle art is also included there. This is one of the art piece of doodle art. This is our seniors batch, class 2nd, 3rd onwards. This is super senior batch, and one stroke paintings also they are learning. This is again a coffee painting. This is workshop which I organized few days back, African art. This is a senior category. It means class 3rd onwards. They have done this Madhubani art. This is one stroke painting with flat brush. Our super senior group will be learning this. This is spatula art. Our senior batch learned this with spatula. This is a tool work. And this is again impression art with onion. Impression with onion. My junior category work. And this is the artwork which my super senior moms batch learned. And you won't believe their work was so outstanding. Means I realized that they are so creative and talented, because every time busy with their household work, their talent is not hidden somewhere. This is coffee painting. My mom batch and super senior batch, they did it, coffee painting. I just want to show a few works. And this was junior category. That LKG, UKG and class 1st did conduct one activity with earbud and watercolor activity. This was free activity. The video of this is uploaded on my YouTube channel. And this also, if you attend last time, I conduct a free activity. In that, I taught these 2 drawings. And on my Facebook page, you can see students has done wonderful work. This is also work of senior category, class 3rd onwards. Okay, junior category. And that butterfly was there, na? This is my class 1st junior category work. I just want to show that what kind of work our students are doing. And this is senior category, senior and super senior. This is oil pastel with one stroke. Okay, these all are the artworks, and I will show the contact number. This is my YouTube channel, and this contact number if you want to enroll, because we are starting with a new batch from tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to enroll, I will just tell you the number. You can note it down. You can contact on this. And when this work will get over, which we are learning today, kids, you are supposed to hold your work in your hands, and with smile, you are supposed to send the click. So your pics will be uploaded on YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. On this number, you will WhatsApp your images and your photographs. 7617 410 911. Okay. And from tomorrow, we are starting our new batch. And this activity I kept specially on great demand for demo art. And my YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. This is my YouTube channel. The video of this I will be uploading on my YouTube channel. Okay, now let's come back to the work. Yes, now what I will be doing, I will be placing my butterfly here. But before that, I will complete flowers. Make rings. Okay, make some flowers. Jalebis. Pani aa gaya na muh mein? Make some jalebis, some circles. थोड़ा सा ब्लैक बीच में डाल दो. बहुत रफ, क्योंकि दूर से ऊपर से फ्लावर्स दिख रहे हैं, तो हमें बहुत सिंपल उसके साथ बनाना है. नो. एंड द लीव्स ऐसे वन बना के बस वी बना दो. See, many students got connected late to wings. We just make Japanese fan, and now you can see it from my YouTube channel. I can't tell you right from the beginning now because काफी आगे हम निकल आए हैं. ठीक है, some flowers. And now it's time to assemble. Pick up your, yes. I will arrange my butterfly properly, and then the head, the lines of head we have now, there I will be arranging my head. Okay. Now you can either do its pasting with Fevicol or double-sided tape. I will be using double-sided tape for doing its pasting. You can use Fevicol also. Okay. Yes. Before starting, just one thing is left, students. एक बहुत छोटी सी चीज रह गई है, हमें बस ये 2 स्ट्राइप्स काटने हैं. सारे स्टूडेंट्स ये 2 पतले पतले स्ट्राइप्स काटो. वेरी स्मॉल स्ट्राइप्स, बहुत पतला. ठीक है. यस. ये पतले स्ट्राइप्स को हमें, we will cut it. These 2 stripes. Okay, these 2 stripes you cut and color it black. ठीक है, मैं इसको ना नीचे यहाँ रख के कलर कर लेती हूँ black. I will be doing with plastic crayon only. Color it black. And after coloring it black in the stripes, हमें क्या करना है वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. उसके बाद हम अपनी बटरफ्लाई को असेंबल करेंगे. देखो ये मैंने ब्लैक कर दी. ठीक है, I did it black. Color it black. Yes. And after this, take your pencil. Where is the pencil? Yeah. Take pencil or sketch pen and hold it like this. So hold the upper part of your strings like this and start rolling. Start rolling with the pencil. Roll it once again, 2 times, 3 times. And when you will remove now, you will get this kind of hockey sticks. See, 2 hockey sticks are ready. And what I will be doing? I will be doing its pasting here on the head. Okay? Yes, let's start. You do its pasting, then I will be completing my work. Both the sides? Yes. This side and this side. I will just turn it this way and do its pasting. All of you do it carefully. Yes, it's done now. And after this, I will just keep my butterfly ready and I will arrange my wings. I'm using double-sided tape, but you can use your Fevicol also. At the back side, I will be putting my double-sided tape. You can put Fevicol. One in center. On sides, I'm putting so that there will be support. Otherwise, it can move from sides also. Okay. One in center. On all four sides. And now my butterfly is ready for display. I will remove the upper tape. You can put Fevicol, okay? Those who are having Fevicol, please apply Fevicol here. Yes, and now in the center. We'll just keep all the stuff on side. Yeah, it's pressed. I've placed it. And now this head will come exactly over this. Okay, exactly the shape which we have over. And I will be doing its pasting here. Let's finish. It should look as if our, and you can see the drawing. Our artwork is ready. It's ready. They both are up in the sky and the tendrils. You can show the tendrils are there. Okay, close up if you will see the tendrils are there and this artwork is ready. And here what I tried to show that they are flying up in the sky and the 3D effect of this butterfly is actually the beauty of the drawing. Okay, so always try this kind of work. Try this kind of work and this kind of 3D effect, like in previous work also, which I showed you just now, in that I made a snake 3-dimensional. So whenever you are making chart or any project, add something 3D. So it will add the beauty. It will add more beauty in your drawing. And this way, the drawing of your favorite Mowgli flying up in the sky on butterfly is ready. Yes. And hopefully, you all must have enjoyed the activity. Shall I wind up? Yes, and I want to have verse for with Aishik kar unmute kar. Let it be. Okay, and I'm reminding you from tomorrow we are going to start with our regular batch. So those who are interested in our regular class, we are for learning drawing. They can get enrolled quickly so that they can join our tomorrow's batch. And we are having Mother's special batch, senior batch, junior batch. We are having many batches. And I just want to have words with few moms. From 4 we have the next class. Na? Arya Kulkarni, ma'am, I can see your mom is sitting with you, Arya. Yes, I just want to have words with your mom, Arya's mom. Yes, ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Acha, how was the class, ma'am? I just want to take your opinion because your suggestions are truly valuable to us.
It was very nice.
So is Arya getting everything, whatever I'm teaching here?
Yeah.
Acha, and if you feel that you have any suggestion regarding teaching technique, so you please suggest me.
Okay, sure.
Your suggestions are truly valuable. And did she enjoy the class?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. Shall we wind up? Okay, students, thank you so much. And please don't forget, you will hold this drawing, this artwork in your hand. And with lovely smile, your mom will take your click and send it to me. Okay, I will upload it on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel also. Okay, and the complete class of today's I will be uploading on my YouTube channel. So if you want to do it again with your friends and with your relatives, means like your your cousins and all. So you can go through that class and do it again. And the class of tomorrow also I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. That one in that the car was there, no? So you can see that also and try to make and send it on this number. And this is my YouTube channel, 7617410911. On this number you will WhatsApp your clicks, what mama will take your click, na, that one. And my creative mom, Leena Bandil. This is my YouTube channel. So if you want to see the class again, you can see from there. Okay, with this, I will take your leave. Bye-bye. Bye, students.